Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the ZUP Harmonic Indicator for MT4 and MT5. This advanced harmonic pattern recognition tool automatically detects and plots classic patterns like Gartley, butterfly, bat, and crab with precise Fibonacci ratios for high probability reversal trading. In this video, you'll see how the ZUP indicator works, how harmonic patterns are identified, and which trading strategies are utilized. The ZUP indicator is one of the most sophisticated harmonic pattern recognition tools available for MetaTrader platforms, designed to automatically detect and plot harmonic patterns that follow specific Fibonacci ratios. Harmonic trading is based on the premise that price movement follows specific geometric patterns and Fibonacci ratios, with patterns like Gartley, butterfly, bat, crab, and shark representing high probability reversal zones when formed correctly. A ZUP indicator scans price action in real time to identify these patterns as they develop, plotting them automatically on the chart with precise entry points, target levels, and stop loss suggestions based on the pattern's Fibonacci structure. On the chart, the ZUP indicator displays detected harmonic patterns with clearly labeled points including X, A, B, C, and D that define the pattern structure along with Fibonacci ratios shown for each leg of the pattern. As you can see on the chart, here's an X for a bearish marks Gartley PX, and here for a bullish cipher and a bearish marks, point B for a bullish new cipher along with others. The indicator uses different colors and shapes to distinguish between bullish patterns suggesting upward reversals and bearish patterns indicating downward reversals, making visual interpretation straightforward. Potential reversal zones, known as PLZ, are highlighted at the completion point D, where traders should look for confirmation signals, with the indicator also displaying projected target levels based on Fibonacci extension, as we can see here. For harmonic pattern trading, the entry point is typically set at or near point D of the completed pattern within the potential reversal zone, confirmed by candlestick patterns, divergence on oscillators like RSI, or other price action signals. Stop loss is placed beyond point X of the pattern, as a breach of this level invalidates the harmonic structure, while take profit targets are set at Fibonacci retracement levels of the AD leg, typically at 38.2%, 61.8%, or 100% retracement. You can adjust its settings, its ATR multiplier, its ATR period, its max period, mean period, and real time. Can also set maximum bars per pattern among other settings. The ZUP Harmonic Indicator is suitable for harmonic pattern traders who specialize in Gartley, butterfly, bat, and crab patterns. Swing traders looking for high probability reversals setups with clear risk reward ratios and advanced technical analysis who understand Fibonacci relationships and pattern validation. The ZUP indicator allows customization of which harmonic patterns to display, sensitivity settings for pattern detection, Fibonacci ratio tolerance, and visual elements including colors, line thickness, and label sizes. Its strengths include automatic pattern detection, saving hours of manual analysis, precise Fibonacci calculations ensuring pattern accuracy, clear visual presentation with labeled points and ratios, comprehensive information providing entry, stop loss, and target levels, and versatility across all time frames and instruments. However, harmonic patterns require proper completion and confirmation before trading, as premature entries can lead to losses. The indicator may occasionally detect false patterns, especially in choppy or ranging markets. Pattern identification is complex, requiring traders to understand harmonic theory for proper interpretation. An indicator works best when combined with additional confirmation tools like momentum oscillators, volume analysis, or higher time frame trend filters. You can download the ZUP Harmonic Indicator for MT4 and MT5 using the link in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek shows how automatic detection of harmonic patterns with precise Fibonacci ratios can identify high probability reversal zones with clear entry, stop loss, and target levels. If you like advanced harmonic pattern recognition tools, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 and MT5 tutorials.